Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Deploying your website for free is easier than ever with NETLIFY, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process. Step 1. Create a NETLIFY account by going to netlify.com and signing up with your email or GitHub account. This is completely free and takes less than a minute. Step 2. Connect your code repository by linking your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account to NETLIFY. This allows NETLIFY to automatically deploy your site whenever you push new code. Step 3. Select your repository and choose the main branch you want to deploy from. Make sure you're picking the correct project folder that contains your website files. Step 4. Configure your build settings by entering your build command, like npm run build or whatever your project requires. NETLIFY will automatically detect these settings in most cases. Step 5. Click Deploy and watch your site go live. NETLIFY generates a free domain name for you, but you can also connect your own custom domain if you already own one. Your website is now live on the internet and will automatically update every time you push code changes to your repository.